the part of University of Nigeria, Professor Lawrence Obibuaku, is not here physically with us any longer. But today is marking a rebirth of this great scholar. And I am happy that his primary faculty, the Faculty of Agric, is remembering him today. Each time and every year, beginning henceforth, that we gather for a memorial lecture in honor of Professor Lawrence Obibuaku. We are recreating him. And I can confidently say that in that beautiful place that he is, that he's only the one that can see us, but that we cannot see him, he definitely will be smiling and nodding in agreement. And so I want to thank the family that have kept the flame flying. And I'm praying that one day, Dr. Obibuaku will come here and join us as part of our faculty. The only challenge is that we don't have enough money that we can pay him. I don't think we can hire him. But I wish, even if it's pro bono, come and spend some of the money here with us. In setting up this memorial lecture, we are inviting the family. We are inviting our great students that studied under him. We are inviting our great scholars. And I am also happy